In this video, we'll talk about the hauling. First thing we want to talk about in hauling are the containers. Inside your containers, you can set up different bins with a predetermined tare weight. And with those bins, you can attach up to 8 of them to a single ticket. It's pretty simple to do. If you click New, you can give it a number or a description. So you can see I've already got some in there. So we'll call this crate. What I'm going to do is copy and paste it so that way I can keep creating more and more of these quickly. So we'll do 50 pounds. We're going to hit the save and new. 2, 80 pounds, save and new. 3, and we'll do 100 pounds. Save and close. And now we can see that my 3 that I just created will show up in the containers. Another feature inside the hauling is the ability to set up access codes. These access codes can be used to assign to drivers, so they could use RFID badges to open gates, truck in and truck out. Again, it's very simple to use. You can either scan your badge if you were to have an RFID reader hooked up to your PC. Again, you could attach it to a driver. You could attach it to a hauling company, an inbound process or an outbound process, and then certain gates and trucks and so on and so forth. Since I don't have an RFID reader hooked up to my PC right now, we're going to skip over that part. The next thing we want to look at is drivers. You can see I have some in there, but to create a new one, again, click on New. You can give them a base rate of pay. Give them a driver ID, a driver name, training date if applicable, and we can hit save and close. And now our driver's available. With that driver, you can attach him to a truck. With the truck, you can also attach it to a customer or a hauler. We'll go ahead and create a new truck for Al here. We'll put in our tare weight, or we can capture a tare weight from the scale. Truck number. Legal gross capacity, license plate. Again, all this stuff is optional. If you're not going to use it, you could right click on the screen, customize the layout, simply drag it off the screen. If you want an overload alert, so if this truck is overloaded, it will pop up a box on the screen when you're trying to weigh them in or out, notifying you that the truck is over the weight limit. And again, save and close. And now that truck has been added to our list. Haulers are hauling companies that you would want to attach maybe drivers or trucks to. So if you do not use your own trucks, maybe you had hauling companies that you wanted to set up. Just typing in the pertinent information. Same phone number, fax, and email address. Then you could see if you were to attach trucks to it, they would be populated in here. If we jump into one of our other haulers, you can see that we have trucks attached to that. The last thing we want to look at is the hauling rate. If we double click on one of our hauling rate, you can set it as a percentage, give it a name or description. You could give it a hauling rate, so it's an actual round number. Minimum weight charge, fuel charge, and then a fuel percentage as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.